Hello student, let's discuss chapter 6, next section of chapter 6, that is squares and square roots. Find the square of a number. And how can you find the square of the number? I am taking an example 23, square of 23. We have to find out its square. So we know 23 equal to 20 plus 3. When we expand, it is easy to simplify. So 23 square is square of 20 plus 3. So square of 20 plus 3 is 20 plus 3 into 20 plus 3. As you know, a square equal to a into a. So here two terms there, 20 plus 3 and 20 plus 3. Two expression there. So here this is two term, 20 plus 3. So 20 into 20 plus 3, when you multiply first term into last expression, 20 into 20 plus 3, plus sign is there, so we can put plus sign in this result. And next term is 3. So 3 and last expression is 20 plus 3. So 3 into 20 plus 3. 3 whole into 20 plus 3. Okay. Then 20 into 20, that is 20 square. 20 into 3 plus 3 into 20 plus 3 into 3. 20 into 20, 20 square plus 3 into 3, 20 into 3, 20 into 3, plus sign is there, so plus 3 into 20 is, right, 3 into 20 in bracket, and 3 into 3 is 9. Then solve it. 20 into 20, 20 square is 400, 20 into 3 60, 3 into 20 60 and 9. Sum of all this is 529. So square of 523 is 529. Without doing actual multiplication, we can find the square of any number by simplify by this expandation method. Okay. Next, some other patterns in squares. Suppose 25 square. Here unit digit is 5. So we can put plus 25. Okay. Plus 25. First digit is 2. So we can write 2 here. Next number of 2 is 3. So we can write into 3. So 2 into 3 into 100. This is the pattern. So 2 into 3 is 6, 100 into 100 plus 25. So 6 into 100, 600 plus 25 is 625. 6 into 100, 625. Sorry, 6 into 100, 600 plus 25. Addition of all this is 625. So this is the pattern. When unit digit is 5, we can find out its square. Similarly, taken another example to 35 square. Here unit digit is 5, so we can write plus 25 as the rightmost side. Then first digit is 3 and next number of 3 is 4, so 3 into 4. Then 100. This is the pattern. So 3 into 4 is 12 and 100 is 1200. So multiplication of 3 400 is 1200 plus 25. So 1200 plus 25. Addition of these two is 1225. So square of 35 is 1225. This is the pattern when unit digit is 5. When we find out this square whose unit digit is 5. Next is Pythagorean triplets. What are they? Suppose consider a right angle triangle. Angle is 90 degree. Base is 3 cm. Perpendicular is here 4 cm and hypotenuse be 5 cm. So 3, 4 and 5. Base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. These are the three lengths of Pythagorean triplet. So 3 square. How can you know it is satisfied or no? 3 square, base square plus perpendicular square. So 3 square plus 4 square is 9 plus 16 equal to 25. 25 is 5 square. So if three numbers are satisfied, that base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square, then these three are Pythagorean triplet. So 3, 4, 5 is known as Pythagorean triplet. Okay. Take another example, 6, 8 and 10. Check it whether it is satisfy the Pythagorean triplet or not. 6 square is 36 and 8 square is 64. 36 plus 64, 100. So 100 is square of 10. So 6, 8 and 10 is Pythagorean triplet. Base square plus perpendicular square is equal to, suppose, hypotenuse square. If that condition satisfied, then that tree number is Pythagorean triplet. So this is the formula for any natural numbers. M equal to 1, we have 2m square plus m square minus 1 is equal to m square minus 1 square is equal to m square plus 1 का square. So these are, if that condition satisfy, then 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1 forms a Pythagorean triplet, or these are the three members of Pythagorean triplet, 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. These are three members of Pythagorean triplet. If that condition is satisfied, which condition? 2m square, 2m square, m square minus 1 square is equal to m square plus 1 square. So 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. These are three members of Pythagorean triplet. तुम्हें एक Pythagorean triplet का एक member दिया होगा, then you can find out other two numbers. Suppose I am taking an example, write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 12. Means either 2m equal to 12 or m square minus 1 equal to 12 or m square plus 1 equal to 12. So three member of Pythagorean triplet are 2m, m square minus 1 or m square plus 1. These are the three member. For any natural number m is greater than 1. So we have taken m square minus 1 equal to 12. Then m square equal to 12 plus 1. When we transpose 1 to the right hand side, we get 13. So m equal to square root of 13. The value of m will not be an integer. Either 2m equal to 12 होगा यहाँ पे, नहीं तो m square minus 1 equal to 12, then m square plus 1 equal to 12. हमें नहीं पता कि 12 कौन सा है. सपोज हम m square minus 1 equal to 12 लिए, तो m का वैल्यू रूट ओवर ऑफ 13 निकला, जो कि एक नेचुरल नंबर नहीं है, इंटीजर्स नहीं है. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन क्या होगा? आइदर हम 2m इक्वल टू 12 लेंगे या फिर m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 इक्वल टू 12 लेंगे. यहाँ पे m का वैल्यू नेचुरल नंबर नहीं निकला. हाँ, तो नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन हम आइदर लेंगे 2m इक्वल टू सपोज 12. इफ आई एम टेकिंग take 2m equal to 12, then value of m equal to 12 by 2, that is 6. Here we get 6 is an integer. So value of 2m equal to if we take 12, then value of 6 is m is 6. Another member is m square minus 1. Value of m is 6. So put the value of m, and 6 square minus 1 is 36 minus 1, that is 35. तो another member क्या निकला? 35. Okay. The next member m square plus 1. Put the value of m, that is 6 square plus 1. 6 square is here 36 plus 1. 36 plus 1 is 37. So three members are 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. These are the three members. When we take 2m equal to 12, then m equal to we get 6, and m square minus 1 equal to 35, and m square plus 1 equal to 37. So 12, that is 2m, 35 and 37. These are the three members of Pythagorean triplet. Here these are the three members. So therefore the required triplet is 12, 35 and 37. Okay, understood? तीन मेंबर्स हैं 2m, m² - 1 एंड m²+1। तुम्हें कोई एक नंबर दिया हुआ होगा, यहाँ पे 12 दिया है, वन मेंबर इज, क्वेश्चन क्या था, राइट ए पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट हुज वन मेंबर इज 12, एक मेंबर 12 है। तो हम अगर लिए m² - 1 पहले ऑप्शन में, m² - 1 = 12 लिए तो वैल्यू ऑफ m निकला √13, जो कि इंटीजर नहीं है। तो नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन क्या है, 2m = 12 लिए तो वैल्यू ऑफ m = 6 निकला। एंड व्हेन यू पुट द वैल्यू वी गेट 35 and 37. Okay, so these are the section 6.2. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you all understand. Thank you.